Hello everyone, and welcome to another Art for Alzheimer's Care video. Today we're going to be making a paper bag house. So to start the project, you're going to need a paper bag. A regular lunch bag will do, or sometimes you can get paper bags at the grocery store or the liquor store. Once you've got your bag, you can begin drawing different house elements onto the bag. So here I'm drawing a door and a window, some shrubbery, and a mailbox. After you're done drawing, you can grab some scrap newspaper and crinkle it up and use it as stuffing for the inside of the bag. You don't need very much newspaper, just enough to fluff it up a bit. And then after you've done that, you can fold the roof into a shape that you like and then staple it shut. So the next step after this is to begin painting. So I've used watercolor paints, they're nice and easy to use. And I'm painting the bag after stuffing it because it makes the brain have to work a little harder to accomplish the task. You can paint the bag while it's flat, but you'll have to wait for the paint to dry before you can stuff the bag. So go ahead and paint all sides of the bag. I also did a design on the back of the bag. I didn't show that in this video just for the sake of saving time in the video. And there you have it. These are really cute, and you can even make a little village like the ones shown here. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.